We just got our pressure washer put together. And we've done washed some of the sidewalks off down there. Now, I will have to say, if I'm reviewing this, it's a Sunjo high pressure hose max. This is what the nozzle looks like. It's not heavy. Sorry. There's the handle. It's not heavy at all. It's an electrical one. We've got it plugged in here. That's see the bug spots and like a lot of the dirt and such that's going on up there. You have a lot of stuff in the cracks. Just where bugs have lit on it through the summer. It's really bad. Now we've done one side over here. And I want to show you the difference. This side is finished right here. That side is not. That's our ceiling fan. It's got to get clean too. But see how clean it is over here? It really did a wonderful job. I feel like it did a wonderful job cleaning. There is the, I don't really know what none of that means. I guess it means the pressure max something. This is the name of it. This is where you put your cleaner. This came from Walmart. This is where you hook your water hose up. If you hear a cat screaming, it's just because him and the dog's fighting. They just play together. Yeah, the water goes in here and your soap goes in here. This is where you can turn it up to maximum, minimum. And this controls the flow of the water, max. You know, all that kind of stuff. Sorry, you really couldn't see that from my hand. Low, stop, high. I'll put it on stop since he's not here. And there shows your minimum to maximum. It comes with different nozzles to go on the end. They do a different angle, and if you can see the little slats in them right there, like that one looks like a little screwdriver slat. That's just where that's how the water comes out. That's just a little pinhole. That's how the water comes out. Your nozzle rests here. Now this brick, it did a really good job cleaning it off. But now you can see the difference in my steps. Like here's the way they're supposed to look, and here's the way they look. And there's the whiny bandit boy who doesn't understand why I'm out here without him. But like a lot of that green, I've got to get out here. It does that every summer, especially if we have a lot of rains. It did mess up here when we started. It took some of our stain off. And it wouldn't bother me if the whole porch ended up looking like that again. And then us just restaining it again, because that stain that we used last time didn't work very good. We just put these up. That's why they don't match. These are the gates that go in and out to keep someone from running away. It's not the greatest on cleaning wood decks that have got a lot of mildew. I did do the concrete angel down here. It worked great. It's drying right now. It got some of the mold off it. We have a lot of mold on this side of the house. It's not the north side, but I don't know. It just does because the water sets here.